and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. We will now be dimming the cabin lights. Mga binibini at ginoo, sa loob ng ilang sandali, tayo po ay lalapag na. Mangyari po lamang panatiling nakakapit ang inyong seatbelt.
Prepare for landing, crew to your stations. Kalalabag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Davao. Maligayang pagdating. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelts. Huwag po munang kunin ang mga hand-carrying baggage hanggang ang ating aeroplano ay ganap na nakahinto. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, Kapitan Roberto Masiglat, Unang Opisyal Salvador Onglo at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Davao International Airport. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Davao City. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. At this time, communication is still ongoing between the flight deck and the control tower. For this, may we request our passengers to please refrain from switching on your cell phones until after you have disembarked. For passengers needing special assistance, please deplane last for proper endorsement by your cabin crew to the ground staff. Passengers with meet and assist stickers will be given priority among those who need special assistance. Thank you for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, please be informed of the smoking ban here in Davao City. This is strictly implemented in all enclosed buildings, public transportation and public places in the city, including any part of the Davao International Airport terminal building. And on behalf of Captain Roberto Masiglat, First Officer Salvador Onglo and the rest of your Boeing 747 Series 400 cabin crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Asia's first, signing through. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, daghang salamat sa inyong pagsakayuban kanamo. Kami nang hinaot na magkita-kita sa usap sa umaabot pa ninyong pagbiyahe.